Hi, Art here. Welcome to this video. Today I want to talk about tweaks I do to the design sprint. And there's a very powerful tweak I do that really helps you create better solutions. And it's all in the Crazy 8's. Hang on, I'll show you. The book has a really powerful string of exercises to get to the final solution. First, you copy what's on the wall with some note taking, then you start doodling, first step to a solution, then you do your Crazy 8 exercise. You pick one of your 8 squares and you make it into your 3-step sketch, which is really your final idea, which every participant thinks is the best solution to the challenge you set. However, there's a problem. I often hear that participants in the sprint feel rushed towards choosing a solution. They're in the mood of the Crazy 8, the pace is really high and they just pick one and they bring it forward, and then they come back the next day and then they look back on the solution they chose and they feel in retrospect they should have chosen a different solution. Luckily, there's a really easy way to get around it and to help your participants deliver better results in the sprint. It's not something that I thought of myself. Actually, it's on the design sprint kit with google.com, a very useful resource kit for design sprints. But somehow I find that a lot of facilitators overlook it, so I think it's good if we underline it one more time. What they added is very clever but really powerful. It's a review step after the Crazy 8's. And actually it makes a lot of sense. A design sprint is all about testing ideas before investing. And if you draw your Crazy 8's, you pick one, you start to invest into one solution, the best one. So why not test the solutions you have and then pick a validated solution. So here is how I do it. After the Crazy 8 minutes you spent, you take a little moment to breathe. Everybody is like full on, so take a moment to breathe. And then if the group is big, you want to divide it into 2 separate groups. Otherwise it takes too long. I would recommend not having more than 3 people, maybe 4 in one group giving critique. And then people take turns. They hold up their piece of paper with their solutions and they explain what's on it, because the quick drawings are not yet self-explanatory. That will only come later if you do the 3-step sketch. And then it's really important that the critique is one way. There's no discussion, because it will take too much time and will kill the flow. The only talking that's allowed is that the author of the drawings will explain what's in every square, and then the group will pick their 2 favorite solutions.
Everybody takes turns, so everybody gets feedback on what's their best idea. And you don't have to use this information, but it really helps going forward and be confident picking one.
And really, it's easy as that. I really hope this helps you in your sprint. It helped me a lot and also took away a lot of anxiety from the group. Use it in your next sprint and I hope you will have the same results. Let me know and see you next time. Thank you. Bye.
Wait! If you're still watching this video, you must really like design sprints. Well, good news for you. We just started the design sprint meetup in the Netherlands. So if you want to learn even more, please join and hope to see you someday in real life. Bye!
Hi. I want to share a really powerful,